So we start by measuring the beams to make the structure where the IKEA Altepen deck flooring is going to be placed. The size is going to be 90 centimeters by 90, but first we need to cut them to size. For that I use a shop saw, but you can use a hand saw. This way I know I make great and precision cuts. However, the way I do it is probably not the safest. Next, I grab my awesome screwdriver from Einhell and some screws to connect all together. First, I tried to screw the screws directly, but the wood was cracking. So the solution is to make pre-holes smaller than the actual screws with a drill and then screw the two pieces together. That way we prevent the cracks. Next, I used nails from an IKEA wardrobe that I assembled and used them to secure the plastic bags. The plastic bags will cover the entire structure and prevent wood rotten, smells, and water leaks. And that is very important because the interior of the structure will have soil to absorb the water for the grass and the dogs pee. After the structure is done, it's time to lay the soil in it, and for that I bought soil without fertilizer. Make sure the soil is well compressed like so because it's going to support as well the flooring. The Altepen deck flooring is a great solution because it's very inexpensive and is very easy to put together, and it's the biggest from IKEA per square. The sides that remain with the connections, I just cut them to be perfectly even. Some weeks later, I had the idea to plant grass because until now I only achieved one pee from my dog. So I believe that with grass, he will probably assume it is the outside. So I removed the deck again, and as you can see, I added some wood structure inside to support better the deck and some fake plants for decoration. After unscrewing and removing completely the floor, I started mixing the soil with a spoon to lay a little bit more soil. And this fast regeneration grass that I have gotten from Amazon. So I grabbed a bunch of seeds and laid them evenly all over the platform. Then I mixed a little more soil, add some more, pressed it really well, I water it, and place the floor back. Then I use some screws around the deck to fix it to the wood structure. That way it doesn't move. And then this is the final result without grass. Okay, so this is the final result. We've made a lot of progress, but the main goal of this garden was for my dog to pee on it, but it doesn't. Even with real grass. Woody, come. Vai. Faz xixi, faz. So it likes the space, but it doesn't pee on it. So we have some fake plants here and there. Here, these ones are fake as well, those. And this is real grass from the bag that I showed. before this one, and it grows very, very fast. In a week, I had some grass already. Woody, aqui. Hey, vai. Vai. He likes to sit on it. Woody. So the grass, as you can see, it's real and it's really good. See? Yeah. It's really grass and it's awesome. Woody loves it and likes to be in it, on it, but doesn't pee there. Deita. Lindo. He's the best.